Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat Spotlight upload error. First, check your internet connection. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open the control center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. And make sure to check your video file. Make sure the video follows Spotlight's rule. It should be supported format, not locked. And record in vertical mode. If needed, trim the video or record anew inside the app. You can also close the app completely from the recent screen and reopen the Snapchat and try again uploading. For the Android or iOS user, open the App Store or the Google Store. In the search bar, type Snapchat and open the official Snapchat. If an update is available, tap Update often fix bugs and upload issues. And make sure your phone has enough space on your device. Low storage can stop video from uploading. If the problem continues, uninstall Snapchat from your phone, then download and install it again from the App Store. After following this step, the Snapchat Spotlight video should be uploaded without any error. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.